I love jeans, but finding the perfect fit off the rack can be impossible, and I know a lot of you guys can relate to me as well. For me, I love slim jeans, but I always have to go up at least 2 sizes in order for slim jeans to fit my thighs, but that just leaves my waist looking like this. Inseam is also a big issue for me, where 32-inch inseam is too long for me and a 30-inch inseam is too short, and there's rarely any brands that offer anything in between. So when Hockerty reached out to me and told me about their made-to-measure jeans, I knew I gotta have it. So I went into the website, entered my measurements, and a couple weeks later, here they are. So in this video, I'm gonna do a detailed review on Hockerty jeans and let you guys know if made-to-measure jeans are really worth your hard-earned money. Let's start off with an unboxing. The jeans come in very neatly folded in this bag. Let's take a look at what's inside. The first pair I have is the Indigo Slim Fit, and the second pair is a lighter Indigo Straight Fit. So when it comes to choosing what kind of jean you want, Hockerty gives you a lot of options. Starting with the type of fit you want, the finishing, material, stitch thread color, button color. Another cool thing is they allow you to add your initials. With all that said, this is how the slim jeans look on the website, and this is how it looks in real life. The jeans are a lot bluer in real life, and the distressing is more subtle. This is how the straight fit looks on the website compared to how it looks in real life. It looks about the same. The color and distressing is very accurate. Let's take a close look at the first pair of custom jeans. This is a slim fit, and I got this in a vintage indigo colorway. I chose the gold hardware, navy stitching to match the color of the jeans, light brown leather patch that feels surprisingly very soft and smooth. On the back, I chose unbranded pockets because I prefer a more minimalistic look. At the front, it really can't get more personal than this. There's an actual engraving of my name on these jeans. No one can steal my jeans anymore because my name is literally on it. Onto the second pair. This is a straight fit. I chose a light indigo watch in a vintage colorway, bronze hardware, dark blue stitching, unbranded back pockets, brown leather patch, and I decided to switch it up for the engraving on this pair. I went with MFF for Men's Fashion Files and a red stitch, so it stands out and give these jeans a bit of color. Now let's talk about the quality of these jeans. Both jeans are made from 93% cotton, 6% polyester, and 1% lycra. Because of that cotton and polyester blend, the fabric is going to be very stretchy and impossible to wrinkle no matter what you do. The construction of both jeans is very well done. Both jeans are vintage wash, but the light indigo has a lot more noticeable distressing throughout the whole jean, while the slim indigo is very subtle. The slim pair weighs in at 521 grams, and the straight pair weighs in at 539 grams, which means these jeans are very light. Your average denim will weigh around 650 grams, so these jeans are over 100 grams lighter. Now let's talk about the price. Hockerty jeans starts at $129, but that price goes up depending on the type of material you want and the add-ons you choose. My slim fits came out to be $159, and my straight fits $169. Now let's talk about what makes Hockerty jeans so special, and that is the fit. On the website, you enter your height, weight, leg length, pants waist, hips, and thighs, and the tailor will use that information to construct your jeans, so it's really important that you have the right measurements. This is how the slim fit looks on me. This is hands down the best fitting jean I own. In the beginning of the video, I talked about how I could never find slim jeans that can fit both my waist and thighs, but this is it. It fits perfectly at the waist, and moving down to the thigh, I have just the right amount of breathing room that makes my legs look great. They also nail the inseam length on these jeans as the hem sits right where it needs to be. Overall, these jeans are awesome, super comfortable, and feels great. Here's how the straight fit looks on me. The straight fit has the same exact 19-inch hip opening as the slim fit, but it starts to widen at the thigh. It has an 11-inch thigh opening and 7-inch leg opening, which is half an inch more than the slim fit. The rise is also half an inch longer. These jeans are labeled as straight fit, but I would consider this as a slim straight fit. It fits straight from the knee up, but from the knee down it tapers to a slim 7-inch leg opening, which is standard for a lot of slim fit brands. But overall, just like the slim fits, the look and feel on these are spot on. So what's my final verdict on the Hockerty made to measure jeans? At $129, it is slightly on the pricier side, but you really get your money's worth because it will fit you right off the bat. So why waste your time and money taking it to the tailor when you can just order from Hockerty? Plus the quality and construction of these jeans are no joke. I highly recommend you guys check out the website because with everything they have to offer, I'm confident that you'll find something that you like. So thank you Hockerty for allowing me to try on your made to measure jeans. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you guys out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.